I swear this is the only series that is keeping me consistent on YouTube. Otherwise, my channel is already dead. Hi, welcome back to the April edition of Monthly Muse series, a series where I share my monthly favorites and hope you might like my suggestions. Now that I've said everything that I wanted to, get something to eat, something to hydrate, and let's dive straight into the video together because I have a lot to cover. If you'll ever ask me what are my summer outfit staple, then I'll say cotton short kurti, and for the bottom, anything but jeans. Right now I have few kurti recommendation for you all. Please don't judge me. I'm not saying that you need to have this in your wardrobe, but something around it or something like it, you can have it in your wardrobe. Let's start with the first and my most special and I'll say favorite, which is this short cotton kurti. I know it almost look like a top, but no, it's a kurti. I love the fact that iska jo material hai, it's super breathable, perfect for summer, and the best part is I scored it for just ₹100. If you talk about the detailing of this kurti, it has a beautiful cinches detailing around its neck, which almost gives the illusion of sweetheart neck. The drawback is it is sleeveless, so you might need a good sunscreen for your body as well. The second kurti that I want to show you all is this one. This is actually a gift from my sister. I still remember I was in Shar and my sister decided to go for shopping without me, and she got me this. She was like, I know you'll be mad, so I got this kurta for you. I saw this kurti, I was like, okay, I'm not mad at you. How can I be mad after you got me this pretty and beautiful kurti? Now that we all are still on the topic of kurtis, I have one more beautiful piece to show you all. I could have just easily saved it for the last, but you know what? I don't believe in gatekeep at all, so here it comes. Long story short, so a few weeks back, I happened to receive a package from Jovi India that comes bearing the beautiful kurti of all time. Here it is. Just first of all, look at the packaging, how thoughtful it is, right? The moment of truth is here. It is all white, but it is not the basic white kurti set. It is that white जो कि आलिया भट्ट ने अपनी गंगू मूवी में कहा था ना, हंस वाला सफेद. This is exactly that. First, let me show you the kurti because everything about this piece just make me gasp. Look at the beautiful piece. I love the detailing that is happening on the neck. Even the minute detailing that is happening in here is so precise that you can just tell by looking at it that whoever made this kurti just observe woman's or a girl's body very keenly. This is the palazzo that it comes with, and it also has the same embroidery in the bottom as well. Lastly, this is the dupatta. I know this piece is very simple but at the same time very elegant. Don't even get me started about the fabric material because it almost feels like I am wearing a cloud or I am a cloud. If you also want this piece in your wardrobe, you know what to do. Just check the description box. Let's move on to my personal favorite segment, that is accessory. Recently, I have done a collab with the jewelry brand Upkarna, and they were generous enough to let me handpick few of the pieces, and let me show you what I got. First is the earring. I always love a perfect combination of diamond and pearl, and this is a piece exactly how I imagined. Not too long, not too short. I don't know, something about gold pieces always attract me. Then I got myself a silver neck piece. This is how it looks. I know, very dainty, but at the same time always leaves remarks on your head. Love that it has moon and stars with multicolor stones. This has to be my one of the favorite pieces. Apart from that, I also got a bracelet, and this is how it looks. I know, it just elevates my hand stack to whole another level. I also love the fact that this bracelet has a unique chain design with a mix of gold and diamond. Let me show you the fourth and the last piece, and this time I saved the best for the last. I am talking about this ginormous diamond ring. Just look at the piece and tell me you didn't fall for it or what. I mean, who needs a man when you can literally buy these pieces of your own? I know by this ring, I am only raising my own standards. You know, the best part about these pieces, they are anti-tarnish, which means they are sweat-proof, waterproof, and the most important thing, it is made up of stainless steel. So, win-win. Might sound crazy, but you know how it works. I am always on a hunt of good moisturizer, and this time also I got one. Talking about this CeraVe moisturizer, it is their CeraVe moisturizing cream for dry to very dry skin. I just love the fact that this is fragrance free, so no worry about the skin irritation. It just looks very thick by consistency, but when you actually apply it, it makes your skin feels like a baby soft skin. If you still don't believe on my recommendation, just let me give you some proof. After I got this and my sister actually used it for like 2 or 3 days, guess what happened? Guess what happened? She ordered the exact same product for herself. Like, remember the moment when Kim and Courtney were just fighting about who stole whose idea? This is exactly that moment. Iconic. I know. So if you don't believe on my recommendation, you better start taking me seriously because now my sister is copying me. Next product that I want to show you all is one of my random purchase. Few days back, I was just taking a stroll in the mall and I just happened to look myself into the mirror and I was like, I need to do something of my dark circle. And I instantly went to a Nykaa store and did some damage. Okay, I got myself a combo of concealer as well as a foundation. First thing first, I want to talk about this concealer. This is Nykaa Matte to Last Full Coverage Concealer. I'm the shade 05Y Medium. I've applied it on my face right now and I can clearly see the damage control, like my dark spots are not that visible. After I got this concealer, I was super convinced that this guy only wants the best for me, that I went ahead and buy myself a foundation. This is Nykaa All Day Matte Foundation. This combo actually helped me with concealing my dark spot and now I feel a little bit more confident. You have watched my previous video, then I mentioned it somewhere that my sister pointed this out, that my hands looks very manly. After that I took my hand very seriously because videos में अगर कुछ भी मुझे apply करना है, that my hands are the first thing that people notice. So this time I got another brand, that is Plum Body Loving Hand Cream Vanilla Vibes. इसका मैं already fragrance use कर चुकी हूँ, body lotion use कर रही हूँ, body roll on भी अभी तक मैं use कर ही रही हूँ. So I was like कि I have nothing to lose. I know and I trust this brand. I am a girl who loves vanilla now after this brand, and I would never mind smelling like vanilla from head to toe. I think I have few symptoms of OCDs, like मैं अगर कुछ भी काम कर रही हूँ किचन में तो I will always make sure हर एक steps के बाद मैं जाके अपना हाथ धोने वाली हूँ, फिर कुछ करने के बाद फिर हाथ धोने वाली हूँ. So my hands are always dry, right? So this will come pretty handy for me. The product that I got from Zudio and I absolutely want to talk about in here is a bag charm, which is none other than a bag. Like how creative is that? मैं हमेशा अपने बैग में इस चार्म को अटैच करती हूँ और इसमें बहुत अच्छे से मेरी बहुत सारी चीज़ें आ जाती है, बट आई लाइक टू कीप माई ईयरबड्स इन दैट. इट इज़ सुपर स्पेशियस. मैं कभी कभी क्या करती हूँ ना, अपनी ईयरिंग्स भी फटाफट निकाल के इसी में डाल देती हूँ एंड मुझे पता रहता है दैट हाँ ये इसमें मिलेगा मुझे जहाँ पर भी मेरा बैग पड़ा है. आई डोंट नो इफ इट मेकिंग एनी सेंस टू यू ऑल, बट थिंग्स लाइक दिस जस्ट गिव मी enormous amount of happiness. They just have to be small, cute and simply exist in my world. I remember the time when I was being very rebellious and chasing a good sunrise, then ended up in a lakeside view. If you haven't seen that vlog, just check that out. It's very wholesome. But yeah, coming back to the point, that place actually gives me a lot of memories, like good memories, but also it comes with a nightmare that I lost my like prized possession, that is my glasses. Why I'm saying prized possession? Because it's very hard for me to get a good glasses that suits my face shape. Recently my eyes were in very bad condition that I have to get my glasses. तो मैं अपने रेगुलर चश्मे वाले भैया के पास गए एंड आई टोल्ड हिम दैट शो मी समथिंग दैट आई हैवंट ट्राइड बिफोर. दिस इज व्हाट I look like now. I actually love these glasses. I don't know whether it's my brain or what, but when I use it, I almost feel like that I am using those Miu Miu glasses. Let's move on to the miscellaneous product that I purchased randomly, but now they play a very important part in my life. First has to be this plastic comb. For the longest time I have this comb from DMart and I felt like this is doing really good with my hairs, but no, after a quick and very keen observation I realized that मेरे बाल इसके कारण ज़्यादा टूट रहे हैं and it just gets stored in here और मैं जितना भी ट्राई कर लूँ मैं नहीं निकाल पा रही थी पूरी चीज़ें and मैं इसे क्लीन भी नहीं कर पा रही थी. It used to get a lot of dirt but वो अंदर कलेक्ट हो रहा था and they were not really like helpful for my hair. Western YouTuber using something like this and I was like you know what, this is something really cool. I would wish कि ये मुझे इंडिया में कहीं पे मिल जाए and guess what, ये मुझे Mr. DIY पे मिला. I guess within 150 rupees. First of all, just look at the color. Y'all can see this is my vibe right now. Just look at the color. Y'all can see right that pink is absolutely my color. But this product actually resolved one of my biggest issue, which is ये बहुत जल्दी गंदा हो रहा था, right? But here it has some gaps जिसके कारण I can easily remove my hairs as well as clean it at the same time. This is something that I highly appreciate in my vanity and I am soon gonna get rid of this one. Another very random product that I want to show you all is this. I don't know what to call it, whether it's a pot or a kettle, but yeah, this exists, right? I just kept it in my vanity right beside my perfume collection and it just looks very nice. I actually don't have any adjective to describe how cute this looks in my vanity, but yeah, I actually got this from Mr. DIY. So if you want something like this, then you can definitely go and check out Mr. DIY store. वहाँ पर आपको बहुत सारी variety मिल जाएगा. I got this one, but they have other options as well. इसमें aloe vera भी था and बहुत सारे दूसरे plants भी थे. But yeah, this is what attracts me the most. This is actually a great piece to place on your side table, or you can also place it on somewhere like this shelf. Time for my another favorite segment, that is entertainment. Before I say anything, I want you all to clap for me. Okay, now I'll tell you the reason, because after a while your girl has again started reading books. And since past few years, I felt like I am swamped. My schedule is very hectic. I have no time to read books. But I started again after a long lecture by my sister. And then I started a book, Norway Woods. I don't have the book right now because मैं घर पर पढ़ रही थी और घर पर ही रह गई है. Because as a girl, I always loved English as a literature, where the basic idea of learning new words just fascinates me a lot. So I only have few requirements with the book that I'm gonna start reading, is that it needs to be rich in English, that I get excited, like I get the urge of waking up early and read a book. This is me, middle of the night on the roadside bench. This day I started reading the book and I was so hooked in that I decided to, you know what, I'll go home later, but let me complete a few part of it. Like I said, I haven't read the book completely, so we're gonna discuss about it more once I completed it, right? I know it's not at all healthy and I shouldn't be doing it, but lately it's been few weeks that I couldn't sleep at night. Like I have to literally force myself that, you know what, just go to sleep. And to just get rid of my boredom at night, what I'm doing, I'm watching Netflix. One more thing about myself, that I am a romance paglu. Romantic movies always have a good ending, and I don't like movies that just leaves me hanging. So the one movie that is literally living on my head rent free after I watched it is Pride and Prejudice. I have watched it like 3 to 4 times already, and I'm telling you all, I'm not stopping anytime soon. And I love that movie to the extent where I am gonna recommend the exact same movie to my future kids that just watch this, and you will realize that in order to show great intimacy between two people, you don't have to show them physically. Like your eyes, your body will say a lot, right? If you are also someone romance paglu like me, just slow down, stop whatever you're doing, just go check this out. I'm sure you will also feel the same. A song, then I'll say Charge Me Guilty, because I haven't heard anything apart from Karan Aujla's music. That guy has literally more than 100 songs, and Punjabi is not my forte. Like I need time to understand this song. I can vibe in that. I can absolutely do it. But in order to enjoy, like actually enjoy the music, I need to know the meaning of it. I have a specific playlist for only Karan Aujla's music. Blast them on my speakers, and I love every single moment of it. I promise in my next monthly music series, I am gonna recommend you some music that I've been listening lately and enjoying. About my monthly music series, I am so thirsty right now because I just realized that I've been talking non-stop for like 2 hours. I really hope you all are enjoying every bit of this monthly music series, because every product that I'm sharing with you all are highly tried and tested on me first, and then only I'm recommending it to you all. Having said that, I'm signing off, hoping that you all have a great time on my channel. But before that, don't forget to like this video, comment your favorite part, share this video to your friends and family, ask them to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you super soon in my next video. Bye.